Mass timber construction offers significant benefits for indoor air quality, making it an attractive option for sustainable and healthy building design. Here's an overview of how mass timber positively impacts the indoor air quality of buildings. Moisture management. Starting off with moisture management. Mass timber excels at natural humidity regulation due to wood's hygroscopic properties. These properties allow wood to absorb and release moisture, effectively reducing humidity fluctuations. This natural ability to balance moisture levels in the air contributes to a more comfortable and healthier indoor environment, reducing the risk of mold growth and improving the overall indoor air quality. Low material emissions. One of the key advantages of mass timber is its low emission of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. This benefit stems from the minimal processing and limited use of additives in mass timber products, resulting in reduced off-gassing compared to traditional building materials. Consequently, mass timber buildings typically have fewer harmful chemicals released into the air over time, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. However, it's important to note that in cases where phenol formaldehyde adhesives have been used in mass timber manufacturing, this positive characteristic may be somewhat diminished, especially in the first few months of occupancy. While still generally better than traditional building materials, the use of such adhesives can increase VOC emissions, potentially impacting the overall air quality benefits of mass timber construction. Natural air purification. Wood has remarkable air purification properties. It can help break down pollutants in the air, increasing overall air quality. Additionally, wood has the ability to absorb VOCs, acting as a natural air filter. This absorption capacity even partially extends to formaldehyde. It's important to note that these benefits are most pronounced in untreated wood. The application of coatings, paints, varnishes, or other treatments can significantly impact wood's natural air purification and VOC absorption capabilities. These treatments often seal the wood's surface, reducing its ability to interact with the air and potentially introducing new chemicals into the environment. Therefore, to maximize the air purifying benefits of wood, it's best to use untreated or minimally treated wood in interior spaces. Reduced need for finishes. Mass timber's aesthetic appeal allows it to be left exposed in many architectural designs. This reduces the need for additional finishes, paints, or coatings, which can be significant sources of indoor air pollutants. By minimizing the use of these potentially harmful materials, mass timber construction inherently promotes better indoor air quality. Energy efficiency. Wood possesses inherent thermal properties that outperform steel and concrete. This characteristic helps stabilize indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. As a result, mass timber buildings can achieve greater energy efficiency, which indirectly contributes to better indoor air quality by reducing the circulation of airborne particles and pollutants associated with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Maintenance and cleaning. Mass timber surfaces can be relatively easy to clean and maintain compared to other traditional building materials, but they do require regular care. The smooth, sealed surfaces of properly finished mass timber elements can help reduce the accumulation of dust, allergens, and other airborne particles that can negatively impact indoor air quality. Conclusion. Mass timber offers a range of benefits that positively impact indoor air quality. From natural humidity regulation and low emissions to air purification properties and reduced need for potentially harmful finishes, mass timber construction provides a holistic approach to creating healthier indoor environments. This was our last video in our series on the benefits of mass timber buildings. If you're interested in a clear, visually appealing overview of all of the benefits, head over to the TimberTalk Patreon page. There, you can download the mind map for free. Starting next week, we will be looking at some of the challenges and limitations that face mass timber construction. So see you then. Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.